Pongal is a 4 days long harvest festival celebrated in Tamil Nadu, a southern state of India. For as long as people have been planting and gathering food, there has been some form of harvest festival. Pongal, one of the most important popular Hindu festival of the year. This 4 days festival of thanksgiving to nature takes its name from the Tamil word meaning to boil and is held in the month of time during the season when rice and other crop cereals, sugarcane and turmeric are harvested.
Hi, I'm Nurufala Nabila Inter Mahmud. This is my first respondent, Gayatri. Today, I would like to discuss with my respondent about Pongal festival. Okay, Miss Gayatri, this is my first question. What is the main dish during Pongal festival?
The main dish during Pongal festival is steam the rice. Besides rice and milk, the ingredient of the sweet dish include cardamom, jassi, raisin, green grams, and cashew nuts.
Okay. How to done the steam rice?
Cooking is done in sunlight, usually in a posh or courtyard. As the dish is dedicated to the sun god Surya. The cooking is done in a clay pot that is decorated with color patterns called kolam. Pongal has two radiants, one sweet and one soury. The dish is served in banana leaves.
Other than that, about Pongal festival, does Pongal festival have been celebrated in other countries?
Yes, since India is mainly a land of agrarian society, the festival of Pongal is also celebrated in other countries as well.
Can you give me one example of it?
Yeah, sure, no problem. Sri Lanka also celebrated Pongal festival. Their Pongal festival has been known as Unat Tiruvana.
How they celebrate it in their religion?
The ritual of Pongal celebrated in Sri Lanka is almost similar to the Indian families, and it refers to valiance in a pot of consumption. The sun gives life to the rice. The instruments in this transmission are the pot and the oven whose assist the farmers in preparing the rice fields and threshing the grains.
Oh, so unique. Now I want to know about the legend of Pongal festival. Does Pongal festival have its own legends?
Yes, of course. Usually, there are two most popular legends attached to the Pongal celebration. One of the most popular legends is Legends of Lord Shiva.
Oh, can you explain a little bit about the legends?
Yeah, sure. Okay, as Pongal is actually a 4 days of celebration. The Diva day of Pongal, known as Matu Pongal, involve Lord Shiva and his mount mistakenly, Basava announced to have an oil massage and bathe once a month and to eat food daily. And this Shiva cursed Basava and said that due to this mistaken, there would be lack of grains on the earth. The banish the bull to live on earth forever and have people plough the fields. Thus, Matu Pongal has association with cattle. It is also called Kani Pongal. Kani Pongal.
Yeah, sure. Can I ask you some question about Pongal festival?
Okay, can.
How many days for Pongal festival?
The festival is celebrated for 4 days. On the first day, Bogi, the old clothes and materials are thrown away and fired, marking the beginning of a new life. The second day is the Pongal day. It's celebrated by boiling fresh milk early in the morning and allowing it to boil over the vessel. People are also prepared savories and sweets, visit each other's homes and exchange greetings. The third day is Matu Pongal. Is uh, is meant to offer thanks to the cows and buffaloes as they are used to plug the lands, and on the last day, known as Pongal, people go out to picnic.
Oh, it sounds great. My second question is, what are the regional names for the Pongal festival?
Okay, since India is mainly a land of agrarian society, the festival of Pongal is observed in different regions under different names with different rituals in different parts of India. Other names of Pongal, for example, is Pongal, Makar Sankranti, Kandamu, Lori, Bihu, Bogi, Thai Pongal, Hoki Festival, and also Hadaga Festival.
What other activities will do during Pongal festival?
Okay, Harvest Festival of Pongal is a major gift-giving festival in South India. Traditional of exchange Pongal gift multiples the joys at the festival and helps to develop strongest bonds of the lore and affinity between friends, relatives, and neighbors. All through the 4 days of the festival, people pay to visit to their near and dear ones and exchange Pongal gifts.
Wow, I learned something. Thanks
Yeah.
for your help.
Welcome.
Hi Rupa.
Hi.
When do you celebrate Pongal?
Pongal is celebrated on 1st of July in Hindu calendar, but it falls on 10 to 13 January every year. So it's celebrated for 4 days, and each of the days has some religious significance.
Okay. Okay, next. What do you wear during Pongal festival?
During Pongal festival, we usually wear our traditional outfits. For example, for men, they wear dhoti and kippah. For women, they wear sari or bawa dan damni.
Okay. And then I want to ask you about the significance of Pongal festival.
Pongal festival is named after the special delicacy that we made during Pongal, and we celebrate Pongal as a harvest festival or a Thanksgiving ceremony. Usually, the farmers celebrate Pongal as their way of thanking the spirits of nature.
Okay, thank you Rupa for sharing with me about the Pongal festival.
I am Yunli. Now I want to interview about the Ponga. Can you introduce yourself first?
Hi, my name is Santhya and I'm from Biology Marine course.
As I know, Ponga is a harvest festival. What the things need to prepare during this festival?
Okay, during this festival, we Indians actually celebrate Pongal or start Pongal preparation just a few days from the actual celebration itself. Pongal is one such festival in which not only people are charged up but animals also join the Pongal preparation. People get busy by cleaning their house, and besides that, houses and courtyards are clean and a new fresh mango leaves are hung in front of the entrance of the house. And the making of sweet rice is the most important preparation during festival of Pongal.
Oh, I see. Can you explain Ponga for Tamil abroad?
Today, Pongal has become a vibrant festival with a global presence. This dispersal of Tamil around the globe is not of origin, and at the moment there are 70 million of them spread out with the vibrant colors to perform rituals and religious ceremonies. It gives a feel of motherland and its culture.
Okay, as I know, Ponga is also a popular rice dish. There are two types of Ponga, which is Sakara Ponga and Men's Ponga. What is the meaning of Sakara Ponga and Men's Ponga?
Sakrai Pongal, which is a sweet rice, and when Pongal is made from clarified butter.
Oh, can you give the difference between Sakara Ponga and Men's Ponga?
Sakrai Pongal is generally prepared in temples as a thanksgiving. This type of Pongal is prevalent in Pongal festival such as Thai Pongal, while the Ven Pongal is a popular dish in South Indians' home and is typically served as a special breakfast in Tamil Nadu.
Wow, it is very interesting. I feel very appreciated with you. With your explanation, I know more about the Ponga. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi to everyone, my name is Nurshadila Petri Shafii. I'm from Group 10. Today I want to interview my friend Naru. First, Naru, can you introduce yourself?
Okay. Hi, my name is Narushni from Tourism Course.
Naru, I want to interview you about Ponga Kolam.
Okay.
Can you tell me about history of Kolam?
Okay. The colorful column tradition dates back to the Indus Valley civilization. In the Mahabharata, the gopis means milkmaids, drew columns to forget the pain and that they experience when their beloved Krishna is away. At a much later date, column drawing is listed as one of the 64 forms of art in Vatyasana's Kama Sutra.
Oh, okay. Next, can you tell me about its significance?
Okay, its significance is the column is much more than just an aesthetic art. It symbolizes happiness and prosperity. Insects and birds feed on rice flour used for drawing the traditional column at the entrance of the houses. Thus, the column represents man's concern for all living creatures. The column and the bright red border or kabi enclosing it are also believed to prevent evil and undesirable elements from entering the house.
Oh, okay. Lastly, can you tell me how to drawing a Pongal Kolam?
Okay. To draw a Pongal column, on the day of Pongal, family members jointly draw the column with rice flour that can be plain as well as colored. Parallel straight lines can be drawn using a cylindrical rod as a guide. A column can be a plain one or can be artistically drawn with symbols of cosmic interest. The column defines the scared area where the Pongal is prepared. Within the parameters of column, typically firewood is used to cook the rice. The Pongal is set up in the direct view of the sun. Traditionally, the column is laid in front of or the side of the house. But in cold climes where cooking indoors with firewood is hazardous, the Pongal can be prepared in kitchen and brought to the location where column is set up.
Oh, it sounds interesting. Thank you, Naru, for your cooperation.
Okay, welcome.
That's all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, Ponga is a harvest festival with equivalence of Thanksgiving. This festival celebrates on mid-January, but the date is different between each country, and it celebrates over 4 days. This festival will bring new hopes amongst the people of Tamil. The festival is the symbol of hope, which is the major factor in the man's life. Thank you.